right, Gary's 64 Thunderbird. Got it fired up over at his place this morning. Just got her dialed in a little bit. Got it kind of set, ready to go. I know she's going to need tires. We talked about that with Gary. She's going to need tires. She's got some coolant leaks that we found this morning, but we got her fired up, battery charged up well. Got it going. Gary put some gas in her, so she's got gas. Now we're just kind of feeling it out. Brakes feel good. Brakes. Ooh, yeah, those feel nice. So my favorite thing about these, let's check out the speedometer. Ooh, yeah, watch. It's just too cool. Just too cool. Alright, so we're gonna put this baby in the shop. And give her a once over. And yes, that's Burnsy test driving John's 56.